Notice, your safety and the safety of others are important to Honda. Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on how to unpack and set up your new HRR series Honda lawnmower. In this video, we'll show you how to properly and safely unpack and set up your new lawnmower so it will provide you with many years of reliable service. Lawnmowers can be heavy. Have a friend or neighbor help you unload your new Honda lawnmower. To make sure you received the correct lawnmower, check the label on the outside of the box. Briskly pull the flaps to open the box. Remove the grass bag and plastic bag with the owner's manual and bottle of oil. Then lift the handle so you can remove the cardboard inserts and grass bag frame. Have your friend help you lift the mower out of the box. The plastic bag containing the owner's manual and bottle of oil may not be on top of the mower. It may have shifted during shipping and be under the mower. Locate the plastic bag that contains the owner's manual and oil bottle. Read the owner's manual to learn how to take full advantage of your mower's features and to use your mower safely. Keep the manual handy so you can refer to it from time to time when you need information about your mower. We'll use the bottle of oil in a minute. Before you raise the handlebar, make sure the lock knobs are unlocked and perpendicular to the handlebar. Raise the handlebar until the lock knobs align with one of the holes in the handle stays. Turn the lock knobs 90 degrees to the locked position. The lock knob should be parallel to the handlebar. Choose the handlebar height that is most comfortable for you. The lawnmower was shipped with no oil in the engine. Do not attempt to start the engine until after you add oil. To add oil to the engine, unscrew the dipstick from the oil fill tube and set it aside. Empty the entire contents of the oil bottle that came with the mower into the oil fill tube. When the oil bottle is empty, reinstall the dipstick and screw it in until it's tight. Before using your mower, you need to fill the fuel tank with fresh gasoline from a clean container. Remove the gas cap and fill the tank to the bottom of the red fuel gauge. Be careful not to spill any gas. If you do, wipe it up before you start the engine. Reinstall the gas cap and tighten until it clicks. Warning: gasoline is very flammable and the fumes are explosive. You can be burned or seriously injured when refueling. Always refuel your lawnmower in a well-ventilated area with the engine stopped and away from any source of flames or sparks. Do not use E85 or gasoline containing more than 10% ethanol. Make sure the spark plug cap is securely attached to the spark plug, and then remove all of the protective packing from your new Honda lawnmower. To make assembly easy, set the grass bag frame on its end. Then unfold the grass bag and turn it right side out. Then make sure the word Honda is on the outside. Slide the bag over the frame. Make sure the grass bag carrying handle is outside the bag. The word Honda should be facing up. Fasten the plastic clips on the bag all the way around the mouth of the grass bag frame. To attach the grass bag, lift the discharge guard and remove the mulch plug. Set the 2 hooks of the bag frame into the slots. Lower the discharge guard and hold the bag in place. You can adjust the height of the mower from 1 1/8 inch to 4 inches, depending on your preferred grass height. You can adjust the height of the mower from 1 1/8 inch to 4 inches. Move it toward the rear to lower the mower. Allow the adjuster handle to lock into the desired slot. Each wheel has its own height adjuster, so make sure all of the adjusters are set to the same height. Your HRR series Honda lawnmower can bag, mulch, or discharge grass clippings. To mulch the grass clippings, insert the mulching plug into the discharge chute of the mower and lower the discharge guard to hold the plug in place. Do not use the grass bag when using the mulching plug. The mulching plug may not stay in place. Remove the plug if you want to bag or discharge clippings from the rear of the mower. This concludes the video tutorial on how to unpack and set up your HRR series Honda lawnmower. Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video.